My name is Travis Hatcher. I work for Pipe Wrench Plumbing. I'm a service technician or install technician. We're here today to replace the water line for the customer. I decided to work for Pipe Wrench because I was looking for a career change, something that would be long lasting and benefit my future. I'd say my favorite thing about it is being hands-on and having to route the pipe, especially whenever it's not going an existing path of the original pipe. That's probably my favorite aspect of it. If I had to choose one thing as my favorite thing about Pipe Wrench, it'd probably be not doing the exact same thing every day and seeing new places and overcoming obstacles that we're faced with on each job. The people are very easy to get along with, and there's a good atmosphere here, like a team environment. Management's exceptional. Like, they value their employees and they go above and beyond to make sure everyone feels appreciated. I work for a company called Boatmate Trailers. They're in Maryville, Tennessee. They build custom boat trailers for all the leading manufacturers. I was what was called a process specialist. My job was to fix anything wrong with the trailers, whether it be welds, paint issues, wiring, missing or wrong parts. Outside of Pipe Wrench, I enjoy fishing and working on vehicles and hiking and things like that. Just being outside mostly.